Gravel, the road fixer. Ever since the great December snowstorm of 2009, the road had been eat up by the plow that came through to dig us out, so they put down gravel to fix the road. Problem is, when you drive your car over fresh gravel on an incline, you kind of shift and slide from side to side. So you can't wait for the first rain so the stuff can settle. Today's a furlough day, which sucks, as I'm not used to it being a weekday and I'm not getting paid in one form or fashion. But not having to put gas in that tank of my car is a nice reprieve. Bye.